Hey everybody, today we've got the Ruger LCP 380, a great option for concealed carry, small, compact, lightweight. I think it's 5+1, something like that, but I got the extended mag that comes with it. But that's my self-defense rounds in there. But let me know, what are you guys' thoughts on that Ruger? I know there's a lot of them out there. I know a lot of guys love that gun. I'm one of those guys. I absolutely love it. I recently just got another one. It's a Jimenez Arms, formerly Braco, which was, I know they don't have a good reputation for them. I just recently rebuilt the whole inside of that gun, new grips, new barrel. If you didn't see the review I did on it, changing the barrel and changing all the parts on the inside, it's pretty cool. What's weird about it is the safety spring to that Jimenez Arms is held on by one of the hand grips on there, which I'm not a big fan of that. But again, this Ruger LCP, guys, excellent little gun, strong, lightweight, and very easy to conceal. We're gonna see how we can do, get a couple shots with it and see if we can well, the glare of that sun is very bright. Get some shots off with it and let's see what we can do, guys. Not bad. I didn't get it right in the center that I wanted to, but a little over here to the left. But still a kill shot. Let me know what your guys' thoughts on it. You guys like yours? Or do you guys like the LCP Max better than this little LCP? I actually love this little LCP, to be honest with you. It's one of the best guns I've ever purchased. Not very expensive, so it ain't gonna break your wallet. Like I said, easy to conceal and carry. We're gonna try this Jimenez Arms. Like I said, I recently just rebuilt the whole inside of this gun. But as I said, the spring here, as you can see, it's located right inside the grip handle here, which I don't know, that seems a little cheesy to me, you know what I mean? Doesn't seem very safe, but again, another little easy gun to conceal and carry. Lightweight. As far as accuracy is, doesn't have much of a sight on it, but we're going to see what we can do, see if we can hit the target with it, and let's see what happens. I'm going for the head. Not bad. I got a couple in the head. A couple I got a little too high. Right here, right there. I got this one right here. So not too bad. It's a cool little gun. I don't know if I would rely on it for self-defense. I know they got a bad rap from being previously owned by Braco, I believe it's called. But it is a option for self-defense, but I don't know if it'd be the option because there's so many other good makes out there. But again, it's still fun to have and fun to shoot, guys. You know what I mean? Let me know what your guys' thoughts on it. You guys have one? Do you like it? What do you guys think about this versus the Ruger LCP? both very concealable guns, right, guys? But this one obviously got a much better reputation. I know a lot of guys are complaining about rust on this. I would like to see Ruger put a better finish on here to prevent it from rusting. You know, having your pocket from sweat and stuff, but I haven't had the issue yet. I don't carry it as much as I used to. I carry my little North America Arms 22 Magnum revolver now. Again, if you don't have this one, guys, this is the Venom Edition. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous gun. Very accurate, more accurate than the Derringers, and very lightweight, very easy to conceal, and not very expensive, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.